Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073CF3, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. We will stick to two solutions only because this will cover everything. So the first one is to reset the Windows Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter, and this will reset the Windows Store cache. The second one is to re-register the Windows Store. Okay, we have a command for this. I have shared the command in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will re-register the Windows Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.